Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to enter the recents, because that's all we have to do and depending you can do it differently depending on what kind of navigation you've got set. So if you've got 3 buttons navigation, then just tap on the icon with probably a square or 3 bars icon, and then you will be transferred to the recent. And if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger here. Now you can release it, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. So basically it depends. If you'd like to turn off only one of it or 2 of them, just find them and swipe them to the right or to the left. And if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on this X button. As you can see, we just got back to the home page. We had the information that there is nothing to clear, but we can of course check. Here we have no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.